Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Lego vending machine. First thing, you need to put your flat 4x4 piece on whatever you're going to build it on. Then you get two flat 1x2s and put them together and place them just there. Then you put two slanted 1x1 tiles on top, and then you put two in front, and then you put two more in front but facing the other way. This will act as your catchment area for your vending machine. So let's just pretend that this was a drink. It would get caught in there. Now you need to put one 4x1 piece there, another 4x1 piece there, then you need to put a 2x1 piece at the back, and then you need to put another 2x1 piece at the back, or you can put a 4x1 at the back and then put two 3s, but it's just easier to do it this way. Then you put another 4x1 at that side, and then you should put another 4x1 at this side, but I'm just putting two 2x1s. Then you get I just gotta get it out. Then you put one of these pieces on here. The 4x1s is the studs on the front. And then you put 4 buttons on there. This is the pretend selection of your drink. Then behind that you put a 4x1 arced piece. Then around here you put a flat 1x1 tile, and on the other side another flat 1x1 tile. So it should look like that from the back. Then you put another 4x1 behind that, then you put two 4x1s going this way, and then you put a 2x2 brick there, and then you get a 4x2 flat and put two 2x1s on it and place it there, like so that it makes a gap that can be seen from the back. And then you put your front on. You can put whatever you want there. And now your vending machine's pretty much complete. But now you need to make a little key, which you'll see what it's for in a second. Now, if you have a 5x1 flat piece, which I don't, I've just got a 3x1 and a 2x1 flat piece. You then put a 2x1 piece there, flat, another 2x1 piece there, flat, and then you put a tile so that it's facing like that. And then this slides into there. Now you're almost complete. Now you get a 1x1 cylinder piece, and you put a little 1x1 flat piece on top. This will act as your soda can. Then you get this piece and you put it in the back of the vending machine, like so. And then when you pull this out, so that you've got your minifigure, and he's come up, he's chosen which, you can put multiple of them in the back, which is why there's the buttons. He goes up and he presses the button, and then you pull this out, and the little thingo comes out. It's meant to stay in there, but yeah, like that. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for more.